Hey, good morning, everyone. Mr. Short here. This is actually our 11th week of school. Today is Monday, October the 26th. And this week we're actually going to be getting started in our Paxton Patterson online modules. Okay, so what I've done here, you notice this screen probably looks a lot like your Paxton Patterson screen. And let me just say before I get started, if you have not created your Paxton Patterson account yet, you're a little behind. We did that last week, so you need to make sure that you go into last week's module, which was October 19th, and you follow the directions to complete and create your Paxton Patterson account. Okay, this week we're actually starting our first module. Okay, so this is what your screen should look like. I've created a test student to be able to walk along with you step by step what your screen should look like. So what you're going to do, you're going to log in, and the first thing you guys are going to do, you're going to do your student introduction, and which is really a lab overview. It's kind of an overview of how things work. So this right here, the CSD, Computer Science Discovery Fall 2020, that's the course name. You can click on that, and it will just take you right to your units and test. But actually, the better way for you guys to do that is to just go start right down here and start at student introduction. You can click on student introduction, and it's going to have one task for you, lab overview. Okay, and you're going to go to lab overview, and you're going to actually, let me move this up a little bit, start with welcome. And this is going to walk you through step by step every single thing that you're going to that you need to do this week. Now, there's a video here, first day of class. Okay, this is talking about Paxton Patterson Lab. Okay, and after you watch the video, you're going to read what it has for you there, and you're going to watch the video, and you're going to click Next. Okay, and then it's going to talk about Chromie. It's going to tell you who Chromie is. Chromie is actually, if you look over here, Chromie is actually a a mop bucket with another bucket on top of the mop. But as you work through Paxton Patterson, Chromie is actually going to turn into a pretty cool robot. Every step you complete, every lesson you complete is going to add to Chromie's mop bucket. So it's kind of fun. This is going to walk you through step by step, just the introduction of Paxton Patterson and how the lessons are going to go. So you're going to actually, and it's got questions, practice questions. And after you complete each page, you're just going to click Next. Okay. So I'm going to go back here and just tell you exactly what it is you're going to be doing this week. Okay, so this is your lab overview. You're going to complete all these steps. You're going to learn about Chromie. You're going to learn about teamwork, navigating the system, which is Paxton Patterson. It's going to be like a little quick "What do you know?" Quiz. There's some talk to you about activities, activity references, knowledge coordinates, which is very important for you guys to know about. Career planning, checkpoint test, and writing assessments and knowledge check. So this lab overview really is just an introduction to introduce you to what these modules are going to be like and the type of stuff that's going to be in the modules. Okay, and it's going to teach you how to work through the modules. So you're going to complete every step of the lab overview, and when you get through the last step, which is knowledge check, okay, what I want you to do, let's go back here. I want you to then go and start, because your lab overview will be complete this week. I want you to go click on distance learning. Okay. There's a lot going on in distance learning. Okay. There's preparing for emergencies, home safety and security, home maintenance checklist, securing the home and critical wiring, healthcare and careers, environmental health and safety, the 8 dimensions of wellness, and financial wellness. So these are all the distance learning modules we're going to complete this 9 weeks. So this week, along with your introduction, I want you to do the Start Here distance learning. And it's just a few different pages where it goes over the introduction to distance learning. It asks you some questions. Let me go back here. So there's just a distance learning introduction, some tips about keeping a schedule, creating a space for you to work in during distance learning. It talks to you about being social responsibly, being creative, and proper hand washing, which is we went over at the beginning of the year, which is still very important right now. So this week, your assignments for the week is to log into Paxton Patterson. Let's go back here. Complete your student introduction, which is actually just your lab overview. So you're going to do your lab overview, and then you're going to actually go into distance learning and complete your first module, which is the distance learning start here. Okay, we won't go into preparing for emergencies until next week. Okay, so again, we're going to do start here, distance learning introduction, and our lab overview. Those are the two things we're going to complete this week. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach back out to me. Shoot me an email, shoot me a message in Canvas. However you need to get a hold of me, just get a hold of me, and I will help you walk through creating your Paxton Patterson account from last week. If you haven't done that, there's still several of you that have not. Or if you have any questions about the assignments for this week, just reach out and we will walk through that together. All right, I hope you guys have a great week. Again, this is the 11th week of the school year. This is the second week in this 9 weeks. Okay, so we're on our way to the end of the semester. And I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will talk to you soon. We'll be back on the Google Meet on Wednesday. For any of you guys that may have any questions, need to pop in there. I know it's during the same time as your PE, so if you guys need to pop in there for a few minutes, I'll be there for the hour from 1 to 2. If you need to hop on over there and ask any questions, need some help with anything, or just want to talk, I'll be there. All right, you guys have a great week, and I will see you soon.